Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to purchase Geico Homeowners insurance online in 2025. Alright, it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Geico website and click on the get a quote in the top right corner. And then you're going to follow the quote process. To just follow the prompts to enter your information and receive a quote. Now you're going to review the quote that you've received and adjust the coverage options as needed. And then if it's all good, just go ahead and click buy now to purchase your policy. And you can always review and sign your policy documents electronically. And after that, you can just go ahead and make your first payment online, or you could just set up automatic payments so you don't have to worry about missing payments. You can also print or save your proof of insurance, because that's going to be useful. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to purchase Geico homeowner insurance online in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.